Hello everyone, myself Anshul. I am from BTech EC third year. I welcome you all here in a group discussion which is organized by Speakathon Club of TNP cell of Guru Jammesh University of Science and Technology, Hisar. I would like to call all the participants for their introduction.
Hello everyone, myself Aman. I am from BTech EC third year. Today I am here as a part of this group discussion.
Hello everyone, my name is Drapit. I am from BTech EC third year and I am here for a part.
Hello everyone, I am Bhanu Prakash from BTech EC third year and I am here for being a part of this study.
Hello everyone, my name is Chirag. I am the student of BTech ECE third year. I am here the part of group discussion.
Hello everyone, my name is Shagun. I am here for a group discussion.
Hello, my name is Vishal. I am student of BTech EC third year. I am here the part of group discussion.
Hello everyone, myself Daksh Trikha, here to be part of group discussion.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, myself Aditya, student of BTech EC third year, here as a participant of group discussion.
Hello everyone, I am Prakash Jha. I am in BTech EC third year. Here I am as a part of group discussion.
With the fast growing industries and economic system, our country, India, still lags behind in the field of employment. In spite of having higher degree qualification, many people are not able to get good jobs. So our today's topic is how can employment increase in our country? Now all of you can start.
So I'm gonna start today. As Anshul said, today our topic is on employment. According to the survey in September 2021, it is estimated that the employment in India is 206.2 million. But before COVID, it was 408.9 million. So this you can see how COVID has affected our employment. To overcome and get rid of this problem, there are many ways, like improving in the way of education. We should improve the way of education in rural areas, so all should get a good education and they become able to get a good job. This is all from my side.
I want to say that entrepreneur provide a large number of employment opportunity to the people to manage their business activities, to generate direct as well as indirect employment to the unemployed person by setting up more and more units of production at small and large scale levels. Example like Webfood.com was established in 2012 with only 2 employments, that was 2 IITians. Now still in the survey conducted in year 2020, the Webfood.com provides jobs to approx 250 direct jobs and 1000 plus indirect jobs. Now Webfood.com was trying to increase their business to 200 crore rupees and want to trying to provide 1000 plus direct job and 2000 plus indirect job, and they also providing a country economy. That also from my side.
Okay, I agree with your point, Aman and Arpit. But for Arpit, for entrepreneurship, we need government schemes which may enhance entrepreneurship skills as well as entrepreneurs in our country. And obviously, education is necessary for increasing the employment, and practical knowledge, as per my opinion, practical knowledge is must if we have to create employment in our country. So from my side, if we want to increase employment in our country, we should be knowledge and should be practically perfect, and should have entrepreneurship skills, so that one being an entrepreneur creates thousands of jobs. That's all from my side.
Okay, I will agree with all of it. But there are some causes of unemployment in our country. There is rapid growth population in our country. Population is increasing rapidly. This is one of the major cause of unemployment in our country. Another thing is machines are replacing human beings. Automation is causing the loss of jobs. And in India, still many peoples are not able to get quality of educations. And if they will not get quality of education, they will also not get skill, and they will not get job. And in India, overall, there is no quality of education in all over India. And if quality of education will not provide, the people will not get job. And in India, we can see that many families does not send their daughters or female in their family to the job for the job. And this is the, so India is one of the country that has more female unemployed. And so now come to the point to the how we can increase the job opportunities or employment opportunities. There is a diversification of agriculture. In India, many workers are involved in agriculture sectors, and but farmers are only cultivating limited crop. So farmers should be encouraged to cultivate different species of crops, animal husbandry and rearing, and different other things. This could lead to the huge opportunity for the employment, and many worker will get job in the agriculture sector. And second thing is that there is lack of health facilities and education in the rural areas of India. According to the Planning Commission latest survey, 20 lakh jobs can be created in education sector alone if we provide quality of education and improve the scheme provided by the government. And we still need many doctors, health workers, nurses, and it will also create employment opportunity in the health sector. And tourism is one of the major resource for the employment. If we develop tourism, we still provide 35 lakh extra job to the people, provide developing day by day. If the proper planning and facility will provide by the government, IT sector will also provide large number of jobs to the people. That's all.
Hello everyone. In our most of Indian population is belong to rural areas. So we improved in employment in rural areas. So government they can provide easy loan. So if people provide easy loan, banks provided easy loan. So they small people can start their own business. So they provided more work to people. So employment is increases in our childhood. So many of people's schools and colleges are working. Sorry.
हमारे इंडिया में एम्प्लॉयमेंट की कमी है, तो हम उसको कैसे बढ़ाएं? तो पहली बात तो ये कि क्वेश्चन ही मतलब थोड़ा मतलब गलत लगता है मेरे को ये, क्योंकि जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट है ना, वो जरूर हम गवर्नमेंट को दोष देते हैं कि भाई जॉब्स की कमी है, जॉब्स की कमी है। हम क्रिएटिव ही नहीं सोचते, गलती हमारी है। हम आज से 20 साल पहले वाले ट्रेंड में जी रहे हैं कि भाई जॉब मिल जाए 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, हम उसमें खुश है। कोई क्रिएटिव सोचना ही नहीं चाहता, हर किसी को जॉब की पीछे पड़ी है। हर कोई ये सोचता है कि यार आज है ना जॉब मिल जाएगी, कल को सैलरी बढ़ जाएगी, और है ना ऐसे ऐसे मतलब जिंदगी कट जाएगी। हम ये सोचते हैं कि हमें जॉब चाहिए। हम ये क्यों नहीं सोचते कि हमें जॉब देनी चाहिए। आज है ना स्टार्टअप्स की इंडिया में कमी क्यों है? क्योंकि लोग डरते हैं कि हम फेल हो जाएंगे, लेकिन उनको नहीं पता कि फेलियर इज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ सक्सेस। अगर फेल हर कोई होता है, ऐसी बात नहीं कि फेल नहीं होते, फेल बहुत सारे होते हैं। अभी मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल सेट करूंगा, आप चेक करना गूगल पे, MBA चाय वाला। इस लड़के को है ना MBA करनी थी एक टॉप कॉलेज से, लेकिन उसका क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ। तो वो जनरली क्या है, अपना चाय पी के गुजारा करता था। तो उसने सोचा यार क्यों ना चाय की टपड़ी लगाई जाए। उसने चाय की टपड़ी लगाई और उसने क्रिएटिव आइडिया क्या करा, क्रिएटिवनेस देखो उस बंदे की। उसने अपनी चाय की टपड़ी पे एक बोर्ड लगा दिया, और उस बोर्ड के ऊपर है ना, जो जिस भी बंदे को, मान लो कोई बंदा आया उसके पास, उसने बोला कि भाई मेरे को ये जॉब चाहिए, तो वो वहां पे रिक्वायरमेंट लिख देता था कि ताकि कोई दूसरा बंदा आए तो उसको वो हायर कर सके कि हाँ यार ये बंदे को जॉब चाहिए, तो है ना हो सकता है मैं मेरे काम का बंदा है तो मैं इसको जॉब दे दूंगा। आज वो बंदा चाय बेच के 1 साल के 3 करोड़ रुपए कमा रहा है, और उसका एक ब्रांड बन चुका है। तो सारा का सारा खेल है क्रिएटिव सोचने का। हम क्रिएटिव नहीं सोचते। आज भी हम ये सोचते हैं कि यार हम पास आउट होंगे, 15-20 हजार की जॉब मिलेगी और हम खुश होंगे बस। सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ानी है ना, तो आपको क्रिएटिव सोचना होगा। ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जो कि एक छोटे से आइडिया से ऊपर आते हैं, और है ना वो कितने सारे लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट दे देते हैं। तो मेरा सजेशन ये है कि अगर एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ानी है तो क्रिएटिव सोचो, आइडियाज लाओ, स्टार्टअप्स करो। लेकिन लोग ये सब करना ही नहीं चाहते, लोगों को डर लगता है। तो लोगों को मतलब क्रिएटिव सोचना होगा, मतलब ट्राई तो करो एटलीस्ट। तो मेरा ये सजेशन था। थैंक यू।
Okay. So for getting employment, one need to be completely employable. And for employable, he needs a complete quality education and skills required. And we know that in our country, there is no such quality education. Labs are not properly equipped with well-working machines. So there should be proper lab and practical work. This should be mandatory, so that quality of education and skills required for industry ready person will be enhanced. So this is the major cause for the unemployment in our country. So now, and next moving to that, we should forward to the Atmanirbhar Bharat perspective. That means we should start our own business that will enhance our local businesses to grow up and create some employment opportunities. Today, we export various goods and products to outer countries, which will benefit them, not ourselves. So, if government should provide loans to start various startups, this would be very beneficial for our local businesses. And also, the government should lower taxes on our own self-made business goods and products, so that they should be cheap as compared to other countries, and our local people can afford to buy this. This will enhance our local products. That's the main part to create some employment opportunities. And also we can see that almost 60% of the people are employed in our agriculture sector. So if government should make various steps so that we can enhance our agriculture sector for more and more employment opportunities. Like if government provide cheap credits and loans for new technology, that means if a farmer cannot afford their new technology machines, that this will enhance them to use these new technologies, and they will provide more productions which will enhance our export and our goods and products will be exported therefore. And also in rural areas we can see that there is a lack of facilities which will which will be more and more cause of unemployment. If proper facilities are provided, then more and more employment opportunities are created. Like if roads are being constructed in rural areas, then this will create the employment opportunities in our transportation area. That will enhance more and more. Various infrastructure activities are being carried out in rural areas. This will enhance more and more for employment opportunities. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Talking about the numbers, around 47% of Indian youths are not employable. This is the data according to the National Skill Report of India. And to increase this employability of our youths, we have to work on the grassroots of our education system. Yes, our education system requires the major reforms, because in our education system we totally focus on learning the concepts instead of creative thinking. As 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 vishal said creative thinking is the key of increasing employability. In my opinion, our education system needs major reforms to increase the employability of our youths.
Okay, so everyone points were valid, and I agree with everyone. As Aman stated that last year at least 122 million people lost their job due to COVID, and that's a huge number, and that's the main reason why we are suffering from highly unemployed members society. We can increase our employment uh, by giving living to the migrant workers. As we all know that last year many migrant workers, at least 75% of the lost job were migrant workers. They were away from their home, and their only livelihood was their day-to-day wages. But due to COVID, they were they were robbed by their passion, or you can say that mm, they had nothing for their livelihood. So we can provide the homes to the migrant workers so that they would feel like their home, and they can come from work to home, take some rest, and next day with the full energy they can go to their work, and so on, move on. Due to this, we can increase our employment percentage, and that's all from my side.
Okay, I agree with the point well said by Vishal. That is, we need to be creative thinking as to increase the unemployment in our employment in our country. But not only creative thinking works, Vishal. We have to be focused on our thinking as well, and we need some financial support for that. And then only an normal person will able to become an entrepreneur, right? But the thing is, if one is well determined with his ideas and creative thinking, he can create employment for several peoples. I agree with this point. And there are certain government schemes which are currently running, or just because of those schemes, in last 5 years our startup businesses and have been slightly increased, and we are going from our ancient perspective to the startups. And this might be a great sign of business in India and sign of creating jobs in our country. And I hope that this will increase employment as well. And education is must. If we can change our education system and focus on practical knowledge, then this might be not only practical knowledge, we have to be focused on entrepreneurship skills and communication skills as well. And so due to which due to that thing, we can increase our employment in our country. And this is my personal opinion that we should increase, we can increase by these methods. Thank you.
I agree with the points by the judge that the creative thinking is major part to create an employment opportunity among the people. And for creative thinking, skills training and training on innovation should be taught from the school level, because in school level if the student will get knowledge about the trainings on innovations or skills of the entrepreneurship, they will definitely do something, or they will definitely think something different, and they will provide jobs to other people also. And one thing is that practical degrees should also be included in our curriculum. If there is no practical, degree will not be provided to the student, because practical is the major part. And many students or many universities and institutions are avoiding the practical knowledge. And if they avoid the practical knowledge, student will definitely face the problem in the future, and they will not get any job in the upcoming days. And industrial training is also included in the syllabus, so student will get the knowledge of industry, what exactly industry is doing outside the world. We have to explore the new ideas and we should learn what the exactly industry needed from us. So rather than reading textbooks or curriculum, we should not get job. We should must use practical knowledge and explore our ideas, and we should also take the industrial training knowledge also. That's all.
What I think India should need to attract foreign companies in our country, so that we can manufacture a lot of goods, and and our economy shift from a service based economy to a exporting based economy. As in the pandemic time, the whole world faced a lot of shortage of silicon chips, and is silicon chips is required in almost everything. And the whole world is facing this shortage of silicon chips. And in my opinion, if government able to attract many Taiwanese companies, South Korean companies, and Japanese company in our country, so that they can manufacture chips in our country, it will automatically generate employment in our country, and also contribute to our GDP.
Yes, Shubham, you are right. And also, I want to include that government should work on tourism to come, and this will create huge employment opportunities in the areas of tourism, like more and more hotel and restaurant are created. Transportation is also enhanced. This will create many employment opportunities in the tourism sector. So government should fund more and more in the tourism sector also.
I agree to you all. As Vishal said, people don't want to face failure. Also, they feel shy to start any small business. Like Vishal gave the example chai wala. Everyone cannot start this type of business. So, if this type of mentality is changed, then it will be very beneficial in our employment.
I agree the point by the Bhanu that आत्मनिर्भर भारत, हमें मतलब अपने चीजों पर ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए. मतलब जो देश में जो प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं उनके वही लेना चाहिए जो if we buy foreign product, then how our entrepreneurship or how our business in our country will develop, how the small scale industry will develop in our country. They will definitely get lost if we buy the product from the foreign industry. So आत्मनिर्भर भारत को हम सब अपने तरफ से लागू करना चाहिए कि हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाएंगे और अपने स्वदेश के ही प्रोडक्ट्स को हम लेंगे। तो ये एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट में बहुत बड़ा योगदान होगा हमारे तरफ से। दैट्स ऑल।
गवर्नमेंट क्या नाम है सॉफ्ट लोन भी प्रोवाइड कर सकती है जो कंपनीज बाहर से आती हैं बहुत कम इंटरेस्ट रेट पे, ताकि वो इंडस्ट्रीज लगा सकें, बड़ी कर सकें, काफी बड़ी इंडस्ट्री लगा दें, और लास्ट में जब थोड़ा सा लोन बचे उसको माफ भी कर सकती है, क्योंकि इन्होंने इंडिया को ही एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करी और इंडिया की इकोनॉमी में ही हिस्सा दिया है। तो इस तरह से भी गवर्नमेंट नई पॉलिसीज ला के भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट कर सकती है। जैसे अभी इंडिया ने ताइवान के साथ सेमीकंडक्टर डील करी है, 40,000 प्लस करोड़ की है वो डील, उससे काफी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होगी इंडिया में। तो ऐसी पॉलिसीज और भी लाने की जरूरत है और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी अच्छी तरह से करना पड़ेगा। करप्शन भी इसमें मेन रोल करता है। करप्शन जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा करप्शन होगा तो वो पैसा फिर एम्प्लॉयमेंट में नहीं जाएगा और वो लोगों की जेब में ही चला जाएगा। तो करप्शन भी रोकने की जरूरत है।
जैसा कि हमें बचपन से ही स्कूल से ही बचपन से ही बता दिया जाता है कि हमें जॉब करने, हमें कोई अपने बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं बताता कि तुम्हें बिजनेस करना। हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारी सोसाइटी सभी हमें ये बोलते हैं कि तुम्हें गवर्नमेंट जॉब लेनी है। कोई हमें अपना स्टार्टअप या बिजनेस करने के लिए उत्साहित नहीं करता। और पीछे से एक मेन कारण है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स भी हमें बिजनेस करने के लिए फोर्स नहीं करते, क्योंकि उन्हें भी लगता है अगर ये फेल हो जाए, अगर इसकी सरकारी जॉब नहीं लगेगी तो ये आगे जिंदगी में क्या करेगा। इस मेंटलिटी से उठना बहुत जरूरी है हमारे लिए। अगर हमें एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करना है तो हमें अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप करना होगा, हमें अपना खुद का बिजनेस करना होगा। इसलिए अगर हम अपना खुद के सभी ये सोचेंगे कि हमें अपना बिजनेस करना है तो इससे एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज होएगा। सभी लोग नौकरी लेने के बजाय अगर देने पर ध्यान देंगे तो इससे हमारी इकोनॉमी भी बहुत बूस्ट करेगी अच्छी तरह से। सो मेरा ओपिनियन ये है कि हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा बिजनेस करने पर ध्यान देना चाहिए, ना कि जॉब लेने पर। सो दैट्स ऑल माय साइड।
You all have spoken very well. I agree with you all. There are many ways like quality education, creative thinking, entrepreneurship, and I'd like to thank you all for your participation.
Thank you.